everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going old school but with a nerdy twist. Yep, I coded a legendary Tic Tac Toe game using Python and Tkinter. So instead of wasting paper, drawing X's and O's like it's the 90s, we're taking it digital. Let's check it out. So if you've been living under a rock and don't know Tic Tac Toe, here's the deal. Two players take turn, one is X, the other is O. The goal is get 3 in a row. Straight line, sideways or diagonal. If you don't, well, congratulations, you wasted 10 minutes and it's a tie. And yeah, this game has ruined more friendship than own a car. Now let's talk about the code that make the magic happen. I use Python's Tkinter library. It's basically let me turn my boring Python script into a clickable window. Each cell in the Tic Tac Toe GUI is actually just a button. Click it and boom, your move is locked in. No cheating, no raising mistake, you're stuck with your bad decision. Just like real life. Yeah. Anyway, when you click, the button either gets an X or an O, depending on whose turn it is. I use a simple variable called bclick to switch between players. True is equal to player X's turn, false is equal to player O's turn. Basically, it's like a light switch flipping back and forth. Where the real brain of the game lives. The program checks every possible winning combo, rows, columns, and diagonals. So if someone wins, it says who won. If the board's full with no winner, it's a tie. And that's it, we've got ourselves a working Tic Tac Toe game coded from scratch in Python. So now instead of fighting with your friends using pen and paper, you can fight using code, which is way cooler. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and let me know in the comments what game I should try to code next. Snake, Pong, Floppy Bird, or maybe I go crazy and make Ono. Okay, no promise. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.